account locked on Interactive Brokers app fix. You open the Interactive Brokers app, ready to make a trade, but suddenly you're locked out. It's a nightmare moment, but don't panic. Most people get this wrong, but the fix is actually straightforward once you understand why it happens. Interactive Brokers uses advanced security systems that monitor every login attempt and transaction. Your account may be locked because of repeated failed logins, suspicious IP addresses, or security verification issues. Sometimes a simple password reset isn't enough. You'll need to verify your identity before access is restored. Here's what to do. First, go to the IBCR login screen and click Forgot Password. Follow the steps to reset your credentials using your email or phone number. After resetting, try logging in again. If that doesn't work, visit the IBCR client portal on their website and use the Secure Message Center to contact support. Alternatively, call their support line. It's available in most regions. Be ready to confirm your account number, email, and possibly your government ID. In many cases, Interactive Brokers locks accounts when there's a delay in multi-factor authentication, especially if your device or authenticator app was changed recently. Re-enabling your two-factor setup can often solve the issue. To avoid future lockouts, always keep your security device or authentication app updated, and don't share credentials across platforms. While it's inconvenient, remember that Interactive Brokers handles billions in transactions daily. Their security is built to protect your funds and data, not to block you out. Once your account is verified, you'll be back in control of your trades with full confidence and peace of mind.